Good day everyone, I am Daker Legaspi and for today, we are going to make grilled chicken kebabs. Let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients needed. Boneless, chicken breast, zucchini, red pepper, salt and pepper to taste, onion and garlic, oil, and marinade. Soak the wooden skewer in a cold water for at least 30 minutes. In a large bowl, place the olive oil, the marinade sauce, the garlic, the salt and the pepper, then mix. After, add the chicken breast, bell pepper, and the zucchini, the red onion, and then mix. Toast to coat all the marinade. And after this, cover and refrigerate for at least 30 to 1 hour. I put them all on a stick and ready to grill. So reheat first the grilling pan. Once the pan is already hot, let's put the kebab.